Here's how to add more than one photo on your Instagram story. So you want to first go to your Google Play Store or your iPhone App Store, and then in the search bar you want to find Instagram. Basically what your goal is right now is to update your Instagram app to the latest version. So if it says uninstall or open, that means it's currently already updated to the latest version, and from here just click on open. Once you're logged into your Instagram, you want to go ahead and click on your profile picture on the bottom right hand corner. And then now what you want to do is go ahead and click on the plus icon on the top right hand corner. Now you want to click on the story button. And then so I'm just going to choose a random photo for this first one. From here, what you want to do is go ahead and click on the three dots on the top right hand corner, and then now you want to click on draw. From here, you want to pick any background color, so I'm going to go ahead and choose, let's say, red. It doesn't really matter, and then simply after that, click on done. And then now you want to click on the sticker option on the top, and then you want to find this icon that says plus, and then basically click on that. Now you can choose any photo that you want to add in your Instagram story. So let's add this Arnold's photo. So as you can see, we have this other photo now. We can drag it, make it bigger, whatever, place it wherever you want, and you can play around with that as well. So you can basically go ahead and add more photos from there. Once you're satisfied, simply click on next and then upload your story like normal.